Welcome back my YouTube channel. Auto Tata TV. The Tata Magic 12-seater is one of the most reliable and efficient passenger vehicles in the market, designed to cater to both urban and rural transportation needs. Tata Motors, a brand known for its durable and economical vehicles, has ensured that the Magic 12-seater provides comfort, affordability, and fuel efficiency, making it a popular choice among small business owners, transport operators, and tour services. One of the key highlights of the Tata Magic 12-seater is its compact yet spacious design. Despite its relatively small size, it offers ample seating capacity for 12 passengers, making it an ideal choice for shared mobility solutions. The vehicle is engineered to navigate narrow streets and crowded city roads while still providing enough legroom and headroom for passengers, ensuring a comfortable ride. The seats are designed for ergonomic support, and the overall cabin is well ventilated to enhance passenger comfort. Under the hood, the Tata Magic 12-seater is powered by a reliable diesel engine that delivers excellent fuel efficiency. With rising fuel costs, fuel economy is a crucial factor for transport operators, and Tata Motors has optimized the engine performance to offer an impressive mileage. The engine is also compliant with the latest emission norms, ensuring it meets environmental regulations while maintaining strong performance. The vehicle's smooth transmission and efficient suspension system contribute to a hassle-free driving experience, even on rough or uneven roads. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Safety is another important aspect where the Tata Magic 12-seater excels. The vehicle is built with a sturdy metal body, ensuring durability and protection for passengers. It comes with essential safety features such as seat belts for all passengers, a reinforced chassis, and an anti-roll bar for better stability. The braking system is designed to provide quick response times, enhancing overall safety on the road. Additionally, the vehicle's low turning radius makes it easy to maneuver, reducing the risk of accidents in congested areas. From a business perspective, the Tata Magic 12-seater is a profitable investment. It serves as an excellent choice for school transportation, employee shuttle services, and local taxi operations. With its low maintenance costs and high resale value, owners can expect good returns on their investment. The vehicle's spare parts are easily available, and Tata's widespread service network ensures quick and efficient after-sales support. Another major advantage of the Tata Magic 12-seater is its affordability. Compared to other multi-seater vehicles in its category, it is competitively priced, making it accessible to a wide range of buyers. Financing options are also available, allowing small business owners to purchase the vehicle without significant financial strain. In terms of aesthetics, the Tata Magic 12-seater has a modern and practical design. It is available in various colors, and its exterior is built to withstand tough weather conditions. The vehicle's robust build ensures longevity, making it a long-term solution for passenger transportation needs. Overall, the Tata Magic 12-seater is a perfect blend of affordability, efficiency, and practicality. Whether for commercial transport, school services, or local commuting, it remains a top choice in the passenger vehicle segment. With Tata's reputation for quality and reliability, this vehicle continues to be a preferred option for those looking for a budget-friendly yet high-performing transport solution.